What's up, traders? It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our pre-week analysis. Today is Saturday, January 16, 2020. So today we are going to be doing our pre-week analysis, top Forex currency. So you are trading with Teamwitherving, and we are going to continue using our multiple time frame system. So let's get to the point, let's get to work, and hopefully everything makes sense. If you do have any question, please let me know, guys, in the comment below. But we're going to go ahead and start with USD peso. Before we do that, let me go ahead and type here what we are trading. We are trading multiple time frame system. The link is the following, right? The link is www.TWEForexSystem.com. There you go. So like that, you won't ask me any question. And one quick disclaimer, guys, before I continue, which is the following, is very important anyway, is that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. It's that simple. Don't overcomplicate it, because it's nothing really complicated in this business, to be honest. So let me go ahead and start working. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our USD peso. This pair is very important in my opinion. Shout out to Sarah. Sarah is the one who were trading this one. But let me go ahead and give you a analysis on this one. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is I'm still seeing here the market still bearish. Look at all this bearish. Real time right now, the market is dropping. But all I can say is the market still has room to drop and retest our 0-100 Fibonacci line. From there, we are gonna be taking off as a bullish market. Don't get me wrong, the market is sitting in a very sexy area in here. Pay close attention what our multiple time frame is letting us know. Brothers and sisters, pop in. Magic arrow is there as well. And then we also have the daily time frame in there. Now we do have the 4 hours in time frame is sitting in there. So this trade here is sitting in a very nice area. So all I can see here, guys, what is gonna happen on the month of February, we may be looking for a brand new trend, and that trend, and well, let me type it here. So that will be February, right? Just let's do February. In February, what did I say? In February, we are gonna be looking for a what? Bullish market. What do you think? What do you think, guys? That's what I'm seeing. Unless if you do have any other question or a different opinion, please let me know. But that's all I can see at this time. So if once again, comment below and let me know. All right. So let me go ahead and delete all this, so I don't want to confuse you. I want to make this analysis the most easy analysis ever. And remember, tomorrow, Sunday, we are going to be doing our weekly Forex outlook and review. Again, that's going to be for the week of January 18 to the 22nd, 2021. Another thing, guys, on Wednesday, we are going to be reviewing today's video and tomorrow, which is the weekly. So on Wednesday, we are going to be doing our follow-up. Make sure you do the following. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, so you will not be missing any information, okay? So, and if the link is below, guys, if you do want to take a look at it, our website, or either grab our multiple time frame, but it is there. So let's go ahead and make this hundreds and hundreds of dollars together as a family. And let's make 2021 the best of the best. So the next pair that I have here for you guys is the Euro GBP. The Euro GBP is sitting in a very, very sexy area. Pay attention what the market is doing at this time. The market is forming, listen to me, it is forming a bullish market. But the question is it ready yet to be in a buy position? No, it's not. Still need more data in order for the market to head out as a buy position. If you do have any question, please let me know. Anyway, I'm here live with you, trying to show you and how we can make these hundreds and hundreds of pips together. All right. So, but the market right now, real time at this present time, still selling down. Then we'll come back up. But that's all I can see. Pay attention what the radar is doing, guys. Radar is not lying. Boom. It's telling you we're still in a sell position. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you. Guys, let me know if you did find value in the video on the live stream that we did on Monday and the live stream that we did on Tuesday. If you guys want me to do that again, please comment below and let me know so I will know what you want, and so like that I can start working on it, because right now I run another business, so I'm very, very busy. All right, so let's move on. That's it for USD, Euro, GBP. The next pair that I have here is gold. Pay attention what gold is doing. I've been telling you since day one, the gold is selling. Gold is selling. If I'm not mistaken here, Mr. Ali put a sell on this position and he did make some pips. But the market in this position here, market was doing a what? It was doing a PV. So the market is getting ready to continue, because this is the boss here. Sell, sell, and sell. All these sales are the bosses here. So in this time, all this PV is getting exhausted. So it's getting ready for the market to continue the trend as bearish. That makes sense? So that's what I'm saying here. The market will continue down, retest and break our 100 Fibonacci line. Then we'll take a small retracement, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then what do you think it's going to do next? Boom. Boom. It's going to drop like it's hot. That is exactly what the market is going to do. All right. So any question, guys? All right. So any question, please let me know in the comment below if you do have questions. Let me go ahead and delete everything, so I don't want to confuse you. I want to give you the best, straightforward, to the point. The next pair that I have, remember guys, this is the pre-week analysis. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be doing our weekly, and then on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, we will be combining the pre-week and the weekly video in all-in-ones, and we are gonna be giving you guys a new analysis of what the market has performed in that following week, which is gonna be the 18th. All right. So let me go ahead and give you the NCD Canadian, guys. NCD Canadian still dropping. The market, it is bearish. Look. This PV here tried to come in, it fell. That's what I'm saying. If you don't trade with rule, you will break your account. Look at what this guy's letting us know. Boom. Very strong area. Very strong area, letting us know the market is continuing as a bearish. So you gotta go with the trend. So the trend showed up, and guess what? Boom. It dropped. So all I can see here is the market will continue as a bearish. Then we'll do a small retracement. Then, bam, it will continue as what? As bearish. That's all I can say, guys. That's all I can say. And NCD Canadian, unless if you do have any other opinion. So tomorrow Sunday we are gonna be giving you 6 different pairs, and hopefully, remember guys, these are not signals. This is only for educational purpose, but this analysis that I'm giving you is very accurate. So the last week that we did, all 10 pairs went on our favors. So we're looking for favors to go on our way, right? Boom, boom, boom. So let's make the money and get these hundreds and hundreds of pips. But that's all I have, guys. I don't know if you guys have any question. Come back tomorrow for our weekly. But thank you guys for coming in. God bless you guys. Oh, one quick thing, guys, before I let you go. Please listen to this. Monday is going to be holiday here in United States. It's going to be Dr. Luther King. So market will most likely not going to be performing that amazing. And Wednesday is going to be the inauguration of our new president. So please, guys, pay attention. So we are trading basically the week of Joe Biden Forex analysis. I should call that, dude. Guys, let me know if you guys want me to change the logo for tomorrow, Sunday. So maybe I can come up with something else, a different title. Let me know if I can modify this title and call it something else. All right, so let me know in the comment below. It's very important for me. All right, guys, so thank you, guys. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. All right, guys, take care, buddy. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow, it is very important. All right, God bless you guys. Bye-bye.